The market is crazy at the moment. We have RDBX went almost 50% down, BBIG get halted, and other stock went crazy up like Amazon, Nvidia, and the SPY went almost 2% up. I have to talk about the other stocks that been squeezing, and we talk about the support to confirm continue squeezing. So whenever we enter in a stock, we have to have an exit strategy. If the stock went 50%, 40%, we take a profit on the way, as we talk about it in Patreon and Discord channel. So let's start our video with Tesla, because last time we talked about Tesla, we said that the price will hold for Tesla around the 840. For Patreon, we did for Tesla, I think we did it yesterday. We said the 840 is the most important support area that we're gonna have a reversal. We did it before the reversal, and the price for Tesla today reverse, and even for pre-market we have the price went until the 5% up, and now we have a recovery again, and we held the gap after market open, and now we have to have a test for this level of squeeze area for the 947. There's a lot of news regarding Elon Musk selling almost 7 billion or 8 billion worth of shares of Tesla. You see that the fundamental is kind of bad. However, for the technical is really crazy, is the contrary. So that's why I don't watch the news a lot and care about the fundamental a lot, because you see it, Tesla is still holding the 840. If we have this selling pressure from as everybody say, and even at the news that Elon Musk want to sell 7 billion already sold, we have to have a big sell-off, you know, like what happened before when he actually sells 7 billion or 6 billion last of April, I think, and the price went down. However, now the fundamental didn't actually behave as the technical, and we held above the 840, and the price is still holding. So that's why I always focus on the technical more than the fundamental, because usually the fundamental doesn't react or the price action never actually resemble the fundamental that we have, and kind of affect your trading, because if you listen to the news and you have a really strong support for this for the technical, you trick yourself and you get out because you think that the price will have a sell-off because of the news. But no, the price is still holding for Tesla. So what we should expect for Tesla, we're gonna have a price continuation. If we still holding above the 840, we're gonna see this time testing for the 947. If we break it, we're gonna have the 1000 before 3-to-1 split for Tesla, and this will mark a crazy volatility for Tesla to go all-time high. Before the split, maybe we're gonna see the all-time high around the 1,200. So the next stock we're going to talk about is prog. So prog is still continue to go higher. This support the 23.45, and we said this is the breakout zone and we should hold above it. If we continue holding, we're going to have the 31. Even from the volatility yesterday, all the market went down, and we suggest that as long as we held the 23.45, we're going to continue to go higher, and now we're still going higher to 15% today. We're going to test the 31.33. If we overcome this level, we're going to have another level for prog for this year around the 45. So I suggest to take profit around the 31. We're going to have a bit of sell-off. However, if we held above this level, the 27 or the $28, will confirm that the price of prog will continue to go around the 45. The other one we're going to talk about is DKNG, still holding nicely above the support, the 1480, getting near the 2090, and the price is still going higher. If we overcome the 20, we're going to see a big volatility for DKNG until the 35. Last time we have the earning, it was pretty nice. That's why the price still continued to go higher. If we go to SPY and check what's going on, we see that it's still holding above the 400. Last time we talked about the SPY, we have said The 356 is the most important support here. We have a bounce, and we said if we held for the SPY above this ascending line, we're gonna have a breakout around this circle. We getting near this circle. Look how crazy it is. We have crazy level of test for SPY to confirm entering a bullish trend for the whole market, which is the 429. Today we gapped for the SPY almost 2% up. We getting near around this area. If we have a breakout, we're gonna have a bull run for this second half of the year. If we go to Apple, let me just go to Apple. Apple holding this really strong ascending line and this support, the 156, and still continue to go higher. We might see the all-time high for Apple around 180 and maybe even see the 200. If you continue to go higher and holding this ascending line, we're gonna have the 200. If you want to load up on Apple, you can with the free share of Apple and Momo. You can get up to 10 free stocks. You have 12 hours to get your free share of Apple, and of course not just Apple. You can get DKNG, you can get Tesla, AZO, Fuel Energy, and of course AMC. You have until the end of this month in order to get the free share of those stocks. And how you can get those free stocks is pretty simple. You open your account with Momo. Second, you deposit $100 in order to get one free stock valued between the $8 and $2,000. So use this opportunity and get your free share of Apple with my link section below, or notification will pop up here, will take you directly to open your account with Momo. So let's get back to our video and check the other thing that we're gonna discuss, the stock, which is AMC. Oh man, still holding pretty nicely above the 1975 support. So what's going on with AMC? We have a support around the 1975, and you see it clearly the moment that we broke from this triangle around this area, the 17, we marked another squeeze for AMC after the sell-off that happened. This is really crazy what happened here. We have a crazy jump, almost 100%, then we lost it all and we went until the lowest low for this year around the $9. We have a breakout from this triangle, perfect breakout, and now we have a hold up above the 1975. So what we should expect, and where's the entry and where's the exit? All the questions been asked to me, like in the comment section and Patreon. We have to hold above 1975. We have the earnings and it's kind of good, the revenue. If we continue to hold for AMC above the 1975, we're gonna have the test for the 2943. If you remember, last time we talked about AMC, we said that 2940 will mark the squeeze area on the 43. So what's the game plan? The game plan here, we're gonna have a wick. So I suggest to take a bit of profit. If you want to hold, you can hold if you want, like depends on your strategy. But we're gonna have like a volatility on price go down, so this is normal. Even AMC, the ape buying and holding, there's a lot of people who taking profit, so you can actually make all the people hold with you. So this is the market. There's turbulence happening. That's why I suggest always take a profit, and that's why the turbulence happened around the 27. Now we're gonna have accumulation, then testing, taking profit here if you want. If you don't want, the ultimate taking profit would be the 43 before the mega squeeze will happen over the $43. 29, the price will have a bit of rejection, then go around the 43, and here we have 80% chance that the price will go down again. However, holding above the 30 to continue to go higher. This is kind of the realistic price action, not a lot of people on Twitter, on YouTube talking about the 100, the 1000. So we don't have daydreaming here. We talk about realistic. If you want to make a profit, if you don't want to make a profit, you can go at the other YouTube channels who actually give you a daydream price. Here we're gonna give you the realistic price target where the shorts will come, so you take profit before they short the stock. The next stock we're gonna talk about is BKKT. We have a crazy test so many times around the $3.32. The price it didn't hold. Now we have to have one confirmation and holding above the $3.32 to mark a squeeze for BKKT around the $7. However, I will take my profit first around this area, the $4.46. Then we're gonna have a continuation around the $7.15. Next up, we have the volatility for phun and BBBY. We talked about last time, we suggest to take a profit and exit after we have a gap around Monday around the $2.52. That's why the price continued to go down. We have kind of bad revenue. That's why the price continued to go down. Now we have a confirmed support above this ascending line. If we held this ascending line for a room, we're going to have a volatility back to test the $1.94, and we're going to have this same reaction. Maybe you get rejected again, is normal. As long as we held above this ascending line, we're going to have our breakout and then test the $2.52. This is the current resistance now, not the $3.32, but the $2.52 after we break the $1.94. This is by far the crazy level that will be tested. Below, I think below the $2. Yeah, below the $2 will be tested. So hopefully that was clear. So hit the like button. See you in the next update.